The plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am making a Mamoswine. Mamoswine was suggested by Grimia. Grimia, thank you so much for watching. I was not super excited to make this one, I'll be honest. I'm not a huge fan of Mamoswine, but after I made him, I was like, he's actually a really cute Pokemon. In a weird way. And now I kind of want a Mamoswine on one of my teams, so we'll see. But I hope everybody is doing well today. I hope that you guys are having fun making some crafts as the temperatures get colder where we are. For this Mamoswine, I am using a lot of very pastel papers. I just kind of wanted to soften him, right? Because he looks kind of big and scary to me. I don't know. So I used this very pastel pink and very light browns to make him. And you can see the background paper that I have picked for him as well. That gray sparkly snowflake also makes him less intimidating in my book. If you guys would like to see any particular ice type or holiday themed Pokemon this month, please let me know down in the comments. If you are wondering what Pokemon I have already made, there is a link in the description to a Google spreadsheet where I keep track of which Pokemon I've already made. But don't worry, if you do request something I've already made, I will share a link with you to that video. There are so many to keep track of that, just don't feel bad if you request something that I've already made. It's okay, there's so many. It's very hard to keep track of. So for this craft, I think most of it I am doing freehand. I'm not using too many punches. I do use some circular punches for the eyes, but I think other than that, most of it is freehand. Being that he's so big, I just didn't have a punch that was the right size for a lot of his components. And if this is your favorite evolutionary Pokemon chain, I have made a Swinub and I will put Piloswine out very soon, so be sure to look for those. I left a little bit of a sparkle in his eye there because I just wanted to cuten it, I don't know. I could have put heart or star papers, but I didn't want to cuten it too much. Is cuten even a word? I don't know if that's even a word. I'm so sorry. So next I am doing his legs. I probably should have glued these down before his beard because I think I end up sticking them underneath it a little bit. Oh, so recently I also decided to start promoting my art more. I'm really kind of shy and I don't like to seem like I'm braggy or anything, so I don't post much anywhere, but I did start a Pinterest and I put some basic posts out. I should try to make some prettier posts later. I probably will do that, but I don't know. I just want to craft. But I know as an artist, I have to actually try to share my work because it's just what you do. So I've decided to reframe how I think about it, right? It's not self-promotion, it's helping people find something they might like. And then that makes me feel better about it. I know I think I've complained about this before. I'm just not super comfortable. So now I'm doing his little toes. So I think that all that is left for him is his tusks and his tail, but first I am working on the background to glue him down to before he's all finished. The washi tapes I picked for this were also very pastel and nice. I don't know, I think this might end up being one of my favorite ones that I've made in the past week or two. So we have this light purple, followed by green, and then I believe a light blue washi tape. Oh my gosh, isn't that cute? I love it. I think that the tusks were probably the hardest shape for me to cut out, especially because the one, it kind of bends in front of itself, if that makes sense. I mean, I could have cut the right tusk out with like 2 different pieces of paper. I ended up just doing one, but then I had to kind of color it to show where it bends. And this took several tries to get a shape that I was happy with. I cut it down several times. I think I ended up tracing it and cutting a new one out. I think in some of the game art, both tusks go the same way. Maybe I should have referenced those. I think my reference for this was from Pokemon Go. I'm not always sure. I just go on Google and I look up the Pokemon and I just pick whichever official art really speaks to me. Yeah, I am wrapping up this Mamoswine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me here. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye!